If you move, God bless.
No.
The baby in your heart. I'll be your baby. I'll be your baby. I'll be your baby. I catch you and then come here. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Sit down.
I'm your friend now.
Sit down.
I don't sit down now. I don't. So now Robert will live for us with his person. No.
Put your head for up. Okay, tell me something. Tell me from today, I will love Magawata.
I love you, finish.
Thank you.
I love you, finish. Only you.
Okay. Say my talk and say, for today, you're not going to do anything with the Gen Z date.
Never.
You're not going to do anything? Update for?
What is that?
Talk and say, from today, nothing concern you with Becky and Shanky baby.
You won't kill me.
I won't kill you.
You won't kill me.
You won't die.
This is you ain't my friend.
I will kill you.
No, you ain't
No, nothing concern you with baby again.
Okay, nothing concern me with Becky and
Swaka baby.
Mama God shall not be my toy gun with the bright for me.
First we hear of this.
No. I know they see that Allah. That was the I know they see. I know they see anything that Allah. Give me my glasses. I beg, give me my glasses. I know they see that Allah.